Art Makers Club has a live guided tutorial coming up for our members, and I've been planning the artwork for it. And this is what we're going to be drawing. We're going to be using these cool dual colored brushes that are included with the membership. I call this one Petal Pusher. It's great for petals. And I just wanted to show you all that goes into preparing for something like this. Like, these are a lot of documents that, with a lot of pages that I've been like playing around with and experimenting with these brushes, making some different little compositions, different types of flowers, different things like that. Sea anemones too, apparently. And then eventually I got to work on composition, and I redrew it a few different times until I have the final version that I'm going to be teaching. If you want to come draw with us, you can join at artmakersclub.com.